Okay, this is the north side of the house. The structure, we got some high soil over here where this is the electric meters above grade. Our drip loop, it could be a little better. Starting to lose a little bit of insulation up there. Just saying. The service drop is improperly tangled up in some trees. The meter should be sealed on 3 sides to help prevent moisture infiltration into the wall and electrical system. This is a faceless GFCI. Well, I don't know, I'm sure what that goes to. Coming along. Inside the garage north wall. This is hand labeled, handwriting. It's supposed to be printed like this. See that danger right there? It's supposed to be printed like that. It's not supposed to be handwritten. So you have to rely on somebody's handwriting skills. And it doesn't look like it's labeled exactly proper because we got closets, outlets. Okay, that's 120. Got some kind of a filter. Okay, and the AC, that's 220. We got a dryer. Come along here. That's 220, but this is 120, 120. This says filter, dryer, AC. Which ones are these? 30, 40. The air conditioning unit takes between 30 and 40 amp circuit breaker. The manufacturer would prefer that you use the largest breaker available. But it also is rated for 30. I'm just saying. It's 200 amp service panel. Got the protective booties on there. That's good. Copper to copper. Okay. So what do we have? What's going on? I don't know where it's bonded. The bonding location's not labeled in here. I can't see the grounding out aside. So I can't see where the house is grounded. Where the house is grounded or bonded. Cannot see those things. Not supposed to have a gap more than 1/18 of an inch between the cabinet and the wall. That's your fire blocking. The fire just runs out of this cabinet. This fits on top of this. See? So this whole gap right in here compromises your fire blocking. This cabinet is not properly sealed. This cabinet was not properly secured into the wall. It's secured in the wall with screws. Okay, you ever try to tear apart a tree house? Almost impossible. Why? Because the kids nailed it together. Nails have a lot more shear strength than screws. Screws are brittle. They're faster and tighter. I get that. Whack, whack. Let's go to the beer store, Philip. Oh, Doug, you're so good. All right. So, but the screws, they don't have the same tensile strength. And they're more apt to snap and pop. Bonding location's not labeled. Grounding location's not labeled. This is to the filter, whatever that is. Well, I guess we'll find out. But it's supposed to be wrapped in black tape. If you don't know that's hot, you don't belong in this cabinet. I get that. I understand it completely. But it's still supposed to be wrapped with black tape. I mean, it's just a detail thing. That's called code. All right. Then up here, see that right there? This is L1 and L2 in your main neutral. We don't know where this is coming in, so we have these large knockouts around here, so that this cabinet can be installed, just about any place. See these? See these little guys? Okay, those are for these wires. These wires and cables. It's low voltage. You're not supposed to bring more than 2 in at a time. Kind of like that. But what we got over here, let's just knock a hole in this thing and bring them all in. Okay. It's called bundling. And even the reference that I have that's baked into the report is almost apologetic. It says it's a very common deficiency. But it is a deficiency. It is incorrect. It's wrong. Do I have it at my house? I sure do. I live a couple of neighborhoods over, and every house between this house and my house has bundling. Doesn't mean that it's right. I'm just telling you what you got. You got improper bundling. Okay. Also, what we've got, if you'll notice, we've got some NM cable out in the garage as well. But we still have a lot of this old rag wire, okay, non-metallic sheet. Kind of asbestos wrap, which is okay. I mean, it's fireproof. It's in the walls. As of this date, I'm not aware of any insurance company. I don't do insurance inspections. As of this date, I'm not aware of any insurance company that would deny you insurance or handicap you or charge you extra because you have cloth sheath cable. Yeah. Um, I don't know what the future is. I've got it in my home. My home's not for sale. You shouldn't have to live like me, but it's just interesting. It's good to know. For the age of the structure, it's good information to know. Good information to know. So what do we learn? We learn this is hand labeled. We learned that we got 2 large gaps. We learned that the cabinet's screwed in. We learned that we do not have bonding and grounding locations posted inside of the cabinet. We learned that we've got some white hots, and we learned that we've got some bundling.